Hello everyone, this is a practice video. In this video I will show you how you can make model from a sketch. All the dimensions are given here, length, radius, everything. The dimensions are in millimeter, so here I will use the unit millimeter. At first take part, then select any plane. You need to select the unit millimeter here, check plane. Now just draw a sketch. This time you don't need to think about the dimension, just draw. Okay, now I need to give the dimension. Here you need to do a little calculation, like here you can see the length is 45, here 30, here 37.5, and here 15. So total length will be 127.5. So I will change it to 127.5 millimeter. Okay, now distance from this point to this point is 97.5. .5, 15, it's 37.5, 37.5, here 30, 15, 45, but you don't need. It will be 22.5. Okay, then I can make it 37.5. Okay, now click on feature, extruded was base. This is 75. Okay, now take a sketch here, click on the center point arc, The radius will be 37.5. Radius 37.5. Okay. Click here, press Ctrl, click on the line, make it coincident. Okay. Make it 37.5. Click OK. Now click on feature, extruded cut. Again check sketch. The inner radius will be 22.5. 22.5. Okay. Take a line. Again click on extruded cut. Okay. Now sketch here. Give the dimension here 22.5 also. 22.5. The radius of this arc. Click on OK. Click here. Click on OK. Here you can see. Now I need to draw this part. So take a reference geometry, select plane, first reference, this is first reference, and this is second reference. You can see our mid plane. Click on OK. Now take a sketch here, take a line, click this point, OK. If the dimension you can see 30, it will be 30. Now again click here mid plane, it's 15. Okay. You can see our object is ready. Here you can see this is our sketch and this is our model. So if you practice this type of problem more and more, then you will understand what you need to do when you see any type of sketch. Then you can visualize what you need to do at first,